Hello everyone, today I'll unbox the new €2 coin 2022 from Estonia. Let's see what we got here. So here we got the €2 coin from Estonia 2022. This one is an uncirculated one, as you can see. This is new, never in a circulation. Let's take a look closer. This €2 coin is a commemorative coin. This one commemorates the 150th Estonian Literate Society. So today it was just an unboxing. Another day I'll make another video with this coin for more details about how much this one worth and how many they have made. Thanks for watching and see you next time.